some big old crowd. You remember last summer when me and you sitting there together on the hot nights of wind and grass. You remember in winter when me and you sitting there together, watching the sun go up and down. You remember in last spring when me and you sitting in the flower field with daisies and roses and even some flowers falling down on us. You remember in the spring when me and you sitting in the flower field, sitting there enjoying life. You remember in winter when me and you sitting there together watching the sun and moon go up and down. You remember in that sun